guys? It's your boy Sid Retro. We out here at Res BBQ today, trying to see what's going on. Haven't had it before. We just ordered the crab cakes. We ordered some authentic buffalo chicken wings, which I'm hype about. So we're gonna check that out. We also ordered some garlic parmesan wings. Not sure if they're on the menu, but they're gonna make them for us today. So we're gonna check that out too. And then yeah, so yeah, 2 orders of wings and then the crab cake. So just put in the order, waiting for it now. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Think so? Yeah, baby. It's fucking good. Yo, Red Barbecue showed out. We got some crab cakes right here, guys. Look at that. Then we got some garlic and parm wings with jasmine. Yeah, we're gonna eat some too. And we got some buffalo ones. I think they put parm on that as well. I don't know. It looks crazy. And then we also got some lamb. Yo,